What's cooking good looking? Learn how to create a shortcut of Task Manager just like this. Here you can see I have a Task Manager shortcut, and I'll just do a double click and it will open up like this. So if you also want to create a shortcut like this, I'll tell you how we can do that. I'll firstly just delete it so that I will create it again. So just do a right click on your desktop, and this will work on all version of Windows. All right, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, like that. So once you do the right click, we need to go to new, and then we need to select shortcut here. And once you have clicked on it, it will ask you type the location of the item. So I'll mention, you can pause and just type C:\\Windows /System32 /taskmgr.exe. Once you have typed it, click on next and give a name to it. So I'll mention Task Manager like this. You can mention whatever you want. I have mentioned Task Manager, so I'll click on finish, and the moment I do it, I see the shortcut icon on my desktop. So this is a very straightforward process. If you have liked it, please hit the like and subscribe, and do leave a comment if you have successfully done that. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Please leave a comment. Take care. Bye-bye.